Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Minecraft tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to set your spawn point in Minecraft. This is actually quite simple and I will show it for both the Java and the Bedrock Edition. We will start with the Java Edition first, and to set a spawn point in every Minecraft edition I have to enable commands first. In the Java Edition I do this by clicking on Open to LAN, Allow Commands and Start LAN World. Now I open the chat with the T key and enter /spawn point, and we can already see that I have changed my spawn point. And now I will show you how it works in the Bedrock Edition. As I said, it is important that we first activate cheats and commands. To do this, we go to the menu, go to Settings, stay in the Game category and scroll down until we reach Cheats. Here we activate the cheats by clicking on the slider. If we now go back to the game and open the chat with the T key, we enter /spawn point, and optionally we can now enter other coordinates. If we don't do this, the spawn will be set to our current location. If we press enter, the new spawn point is set. If you want to change the spawn point not only for yourself, you can also enter the following /set world spawn and enter. And this will set the spawn point for everyone in the world to this position. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.